Hey everyone, it's great to be back and happy Diwali to all of you. Belated for sure. I know it's been a while, but guess what? 2025 is here. And even though 2025 is going to be end, बहुत जल्द खत्म हो जाएगा 2025, right? And it's time to take our tech learning to the next level. I have missed creating videos, teaching, connecting with all of you amazing learners. But now I am back stronger, smarter, and super excited to bring you the best tech content you have seen yet, right? Now I'm assuming last 1 year I was not available, I was not creating the videos and to upload over there. But this year, the focus is simple. We have learn, build, and grow. You will see the tutorials, real world projects, and tech tips that help you actually use what to learn, what to not to learn. Okay, क्या ऐसा पढ़ना है to get a job, है ना? Our main aim, agenda should be to learn something which will get you a job, a good job, right? People are lagging behind what to learn, what not to learn, and many more stuff, right? Whether these are the things we'll talk about along with AI tools, Python, data science, cloud, Excel, automation, and web development. है ना? ये सारी चीजें we'll talk about and many more stuff, not only these parts. So these are the skills that are shaping 2025 and beyond for sure. Along with that, I took some time off to recharge, learning new things, and plan how to make this channel even more valuable for you, everyone. Okay? And being an honest, right? The break made me realize how much I love teaching and sharing the tech knowledge for you. So, this year we are going to be consistent every week, one solid video that helps you upgrade for your skills and stay ahead in tech. Along with that, so if you are ready to learn, grow, and creating some amazing 2025, hit that button that will help me to make a more content for you. Turn the bell button and that join me this journey, right? And if you want some specific video for specific topic, write it down to the comment. That will help me to identify what actually you're looking for to build something. Because if you write it down, मेरे को वो पता चलेगा what something challenges you are facing, and I'll make that particular video beyond that, that will help you within that journey. Okay, so let's make 2025 year we master the tech together. Okay, and this is something we have a comeback, and now I am here come back in 2025 end, and lot more things we'll try to understand, we'll try to learn with respect to AI, data science, and so many stuff, right? So stay connected, stay tuned. You will get more information, more informative stuff within this particular channel. So I'm back. Comment your favorite tech topic, the most liked one becoming my next video for sure. Okay, so thanks for everybody for watching it. Let's meet the next video then.